am Angeera. Uh, I have been a part of this 2.5 days boot camp at Bangalore with an amazing set of mentors. So when I saw my name and I got a call from Rahul that he wanted me to be a part of this cohort where young entrepreneurs would be coming and they would be learning about the brand, the importance of brand, and how can I bring in the work I do, that we are just not cognitive cerebral human beings, but it is an entire being. So an integrated approach of the work I do and the cognitive approach of their branding, positioning, market, customers, AI, creativity. I felt that it was an amazing idea to bring in the both, and the progressiveness of thinking and bringing this work into the field. At the same time, I was also very nervous to be on the same platform with such stalwarts, the industry experts. So I got a tremendous exposure to the idea of branding, understanding your own brand, because I have my own baby healing rhythm, and how can I position it, what are my thoughts. So I got tremendous clarity, and I think the journey has just begun. And at the same time, I had the scope and opportunity to bring in my work, showcase my work to this young bunch of people, and with such varied professions, and how amazingly interested they are in their work. And we had a perfect mix of morning yoga with sound in the afternoon, and the third day we got to do it under the banyan tree in the open air. And it's a beautiful place. So more and more people, I think, should opt for this kind of a workshop where you get to be out of your own daily life, be in the laps of nature for 2.5 days, and get to explore about yourself, about your brand, because your brand is only your extension, and how the self and brand are integrated in one system, though they appear as two. And you will go back enriched. You will go back with so much of self-knowledge, clarity, again, a reminder of your purpose, and many more. And I think this kind of workshop doesn't end with the 2.5 days. It just begins. It gets you thinking. It gets you more to discover along the path, and now all the information that has gone in will start getting processed and integrated along the way. And I'm looking forward to that journey for myself, and I would love to hear from the participants how it has revealed for them. And do this Flipper boot camp, and I think you will gain so much of insight about who you are, what your brand is for, what your brand stands for, and what can you do with it.